Good afternoon, fellas. What we have right now, I'm gonna show you right now. What we have right now is the HELLCAT AIRBOX, and I still need the tube. It's coming in 1 hour, 2 hours from Amazon, and I'm very excited. And now, what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna wash my car right here. I'm gonna wash my car using this, this, and this. So we're gonna go ahead and wash my car right now, and hopefully in the meantime the tube is gonna come right now, and we're gonna see what happens. I don't know how long, but so now we're finished washing this car. So it's beautiful, man. Now I'm gonna dry it up, and then we're gonna fucking hope the tube haven't came yet. Haven't came yet. What's up, guys? I'm back. Now with my dad. He's gonna fix my car. So we got the HELLCAT inbox right here. Yeah, the other part is gonna come soon. So he's gonna take it off. My dad, he's the mechanic, and he's gonna help me do this. So you can see, look, you got this. All right. Okay. Oh, do this at the air filter. It's still basically clean, yeah, but I don't have the can filter. I'm gonna buy later. Take out. You have to put that and put it right here. That. Not gonna put it right here. What happened? Not my nephew. So we have this and this. I thought this a little bit bigger, but this one is a little bit smaller. But I don't know. Let's see if this fits. Let's see. Yep, it should be fit. Okay. So we finally take out the back of a light. You can see this. That's the light. The doctor want to go to the tube in there. It's kind of be a little bit hard. I think you have to take all the bolts like this one. This, the one I showed you. I think that's 5 bolts, and you take them out, and then you pull it out, and you have to be very careful. The glass, they're really, really nice. You can see they're beautiful. So guess what? The mail just came. Got the box, Woo! Oh man, we're gonna see what happens. Just putting in. Oh, I'm excited.
Like that?
Something like that, yeah.
It looks.
Yeah, but you need sticker. But that time you need to have a sticker. I think you have enough, right? Sorry again?
It's not a.
Yeah, that. Perfect. So there's 2 boxes, the HELLCAT airbag and the tube. I bought it from Amazon. The both for 100 each. Each 50-50. So if you want to find the HELLCAT AIRBOX, make sure you buy it from Amazon. That's what I bought it from. Also, make sure you have a double tie, double tie tape. That's for the sticker. So.
What are these for?
I know, that's why. That's so fucking weird.
Only two come.
How? So right now we are done with this. As you can see, I'm gonna show you one out. So we're done, but now we're gonna go over right here. To bend it, because this is what happens when it's like this.
Okay.
So a little bit tricky stuff again, but it should be easy.
You should be able to do it.
So you can see.
That'll work.
Done. Yeah, pretty smart.
Grandpa.
And there you go.
Yeah, now you can do it.
That's done. You see the tape? Ooh, it's beautiful. Now we're gonna start it right now. We have the tube, the tube, I'll hold it. You gotta put it this way.
Huh?
Put that way, yeah. Go that way. Now I have to go this way.
A tape?
I need a tape.
No. Yeah.
And that's the vlog. It's all good. I'm gonna keep it, and I'll see you in the next video. Right now it has gas, but that's the chain. But why not check it out? I'm gonna show you and see how it's the difference. But as is right now, I'm gonna take for my stuff, and then I will let you know in the next video. And thank you for watching. I want you to subscribe, comment, like, and stay tuned for next video. I appreciate you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, thanks. Alright.